everyone, in this tutorial, I'll guide you through a simple method to create a dreamy effect in CapCut PC. Let's get started. First, drag the example video into the timeline. Then, navigate to the Effects tab and search for Soft. Next, drag and drop the soft effect onto the timeline, overlaying it on the upper layer of the video. Adjust the duration of the effect to match the video length, and there you have it. You have now added a dreamy effect to your video using CapCut PC. On the right side, you can adjust the intensity of the effect to achieve the desired dreamy look. You can also overlay additional effects to enhance the overall visual appeal. And there you have it. Your dreamy effect is now complete in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching.